In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an animated GIF to your Outlook email. This is a great way to add personality, fun, or emotion to your messages. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook website. Click the Sign In button and log in with your email and password. After signing in, you'll land on your Outlook dashboard. To begin, click New Mail to open a fresh email editor. This is where you'll write your message and insert your GIF. Click inside the body of the email. Then look at the top toolbar and select Insert. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose Pictures. This option allows you to upload an image from your computer. A File Explorer window will open. Browse your folders, locate the GIF you want to use, click on it, and then select Open. Your animated GIF will now appear inside your email. That's all it takes. You've successfully added an animated GIF to your Outlook email. This simple addition can make your messages more engaging, whether you're trying to emphasize something, add a touch of humor, or express emotion. A couple of quick tips. Choose a GIF that fits the message so your email stays clear and professional. Keep an eye on file size. Very large GIFs may load slowly for your recipients. I hope this tutorial helps you confidently start using animated GIFs in your Outlook emails. Happy emailing!